The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Parker County in north central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Weatherford, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Weatherford, Lake Weatherford, Hudson Oaks, and Willow Park. Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Weatherford, and Hudson Oaks around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Willow Park around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fort Worth around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. White Settlement around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Worth and West Worth Village around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Annetta South, Annetta North, Lake Worth, and Lakeside. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 400 and 430. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth.